Hello people and welcome back to Rita Simplifies Tech. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to merge multiple PDFs files into one. And basically, I'm going to be showing you two ways of doing that. So the first method is once you open your browser, open a new tab and just search Google for merge PDF. Now you see a lot of options that you can use to merge PDF online for free. There's Small PDF, I Love PDF, Adobe.com, PDF to go. There are just a lot of options. You can use any of these tools to merge your file. So I'm just going to select the first search result, and now it's asking me to choose the files I want to merge. So I'm just going to select that, and these are my PDF, these three PDF. I choose for upload. So it's asking me to arrange and combine entire PDFs any way you like, or to merge, arrange and combine individual pages of PDF. So this one is available for the pro version, is not free. So if you want to use this option, you have to pay for it. But since we are going to do everything for free, I'm just going to select this first option and then choose option. So these are the PDFs I have. I can decide to drag them and rearrange them, and I'm just going to leave it at PDF 1, 2 and 3. And once I'm okay with that, I'm just going to click on merge PDF. It has successfully combined our PDF. As you can see, first day of work is in PDF 1, second day of work is in PDF 2, third day at work is in PDF 3, and that's just what is in our three PDFs, and now we have it as one. So I'll just quickly download it to my computer, and now we have it here in downloads. And as you can see, our document is well combined here. So that's like the first way of doing it. The second way of merging PDF, it's using your Google Drive. And if you have a Google account, you can access your Google Drive. To come to your applications here, your Google applications, and then this is Google Drive. Select it. If you don't know how to create a Google account, I've already done a video on that, so I'm going to be linking it in the description, and also it will be on your screen right now, so you can check it out and learn how to create a Google account. It's very simple and it's very useful to have one. So now what I'm going to do is to click on new, and then I'll go for more. Then I'll click on connect more apps. Here I'm just going to search merge PDF. Here we have quite a few apps: PDF merge and split, merge PDF files, cloud PDF, PDF merge, small PDF, the one we just used now on Google search results, and just a whole lot of them. So I will just come right here and select PDF Merge and install it into my Google Drive. It said PDF needs my permission to start installing, so I'm just going to click on continue, and then I'll choose this account, my Google account, and then it is already installing. I'm just going to wait for it to install, and then I can proceed to start using the app. I'm just going to unselect this because I don't want it to be the default app for files you can open. I'm just going to OK it. So it's same way to find PDF Merger. You can find PDF Merger in the following places: under the apps launcher icon, by choosing open with in Drive, you can find it. So just additional information. I'll click on done. Now I'll go to new, I'll go to more, and then I have my PDF merging here, so I'm just going to select that. So PDF merging needs access to files on your Google Drive, so I'm just going to grant it access to my Google Drive, or I can use PDF Meji without Google Drive. So I'm just going to select that, and then now it's asking me to drag the files here. So these are the files I have. So I'm just going to select them and drag them here. So now I have my files, and the thing with this PDF Meji is that you really cannot rearrange, because it said you have to drop the files in the desired order. So that's why I had to select 1, 2, and 3. That's the order I want it. It's not like the other one, the small PDF we used, that you can actually rearrange the files. But this one you have to put it in order, so you have to bear that in mind when you are using PDF Meji. So I'm just going to click on merge. It said your merge PDF is ready. You can save your PDF now. So I'm just going to save it to my computer, or I can save it to Google Drive. So I'm just going to select save PDF to your computer, and it's saying merge PDF. So I'm just going to put it as Meji. So Meji merged PDF. Okay, and allow to download. So yeah, we have PDF1 merge, which was made from the search result we did earlier, and this is the second method using an installed app on Google Drive. So opening it, this is what we have: neatly merged and combined as one. There are a lot of ways you can actually merge your PDFs. If you are keen on learning more ways and you want me to shoot a video about that, please drop it in the comment section. If I get more comments requesting more video tutorials on other tools you can use to merge your PDF files, I'll definitely record this video, but I just want to keep this video short, and so I decided to show you these 2 ways you can use to merge your PDF files. I do hope you enjoyed this video and you learned a thing or two from it. Please like it, share it with your friends, and drop your comments in the comment section. I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye.